Aloha and welcome to the No'eau Center website scavenger hunt. This video details how to successfully complete the scavenger hunt. We want to make it clear that in asking you to complete this scavenger hunt, we are asking you specifically to complete 6 tasks that will be shown later in the Google form. We are not assessing your academic performance in this activity. To complete this activity, you are required to provide feedback on all 6 tasks. There are no right or wrong answers. When we review your feedback, we will not be assessing your academic performance, but we will focus on what your feedback tells us about our website. As you complete each task, do what comes naturally to you. If you feel like stopping, you are welcome to stop and review the web pages. If you feel like exploring the web pages, you are welcome to explore. The most important aspect of this website scavenger hunt is that as you complete each task, we are asking you to think out loud or talk out loud as much as possible. Please say what you are looking at, what you are trying to do, and also tell us what you are thinking as you go through each task. This will ultimately help us to better understand your experiences as you move through the site. Here's an example. In this particular example, I've been given a task in which I need to find a way or a method in order to somehow get into contact or get in touch with a No'eau Center staff member. As I'm scrolling through the home page here, I notice this menu. And so I'm assuming that perhaps in order to get in contact with a No'eau Center person, I might click this icon About Us, or I might click on this icon Get in Touch. This is one method in which I've just explained what I'm looking at and what I'm thinking about. And this is exactly the type of thing that we want you to be able to do as you move through the website. We'd also love for you to explore the website. So if we had more time, I would have clicked on About Us and looked through that web page. If I couldn't find anything on how to get in touch with a No'eau Center staff member in the About Us page, I would go back and click on Get in Touch to try and see if I could find any information in how to get in touch with a staff member on that page. We hope you found this helpful and we wish you the best of luck. Mahalo so much for taking the time to complete this website scavenger hunt activity.